Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video we will see 1738 in the new Queensland Rail Mango livery. In 2023, Queensland Rail started experimenting on new liveries to replace the old Bronco livery that their locomotives have worn since 1992. There were 3 liveries made that various 2,900 locomotives wore to start seeing what they would look like on the locomotives. These included Tomato, Mango, Grey Ghost, and whatever this is. The locomotives wore these liveries for a few years, from 2023 to the start of 2025, where it seems the Mango livery was set to be the new Queensland Rail livery, as all the old 2,900s started being painted from their original paint to the new Mango livery. Interestingly, a picture of 1738 showed up in late 2024 of it in the new Mango paint scheme, which was quite a surprise seeing as it was the only other locomotive type in Queensland wearing the new livery. But before I could have a chance to see it, it randomly went down to Mackay as a light engine service from Cairns on the 26th of October 2024, where it sat for a while at Mackay Station. News about it stopped for a while until I rode on the tilt train on the 30th of June a few weeks ago and saw it in Portsmouth Yard. I suspected it would be on a Coranda train service soon, and so for the next few days I waited and looked for any pictures of it until my friend spotted it on the final Coranda train service for the day heading into Portsmouth Yard. And I finally was able to chase it and see it in person. So I hope you enjoy the videos I got from that chase.